Join me as I take on the challenge of acing my MBA assignments using only expert tips and tricks. Can I crush my coursework and come out on top? Mastering MBA assignments and coursework is crucial for academic success. It's the key to unlocking top grades, building a strong reputation, and ultimately landing your dream job. But let's be real, it's not always easy. One of the biggest challenges MBA students face is time management. With so many assignments, projects, and readings to keep up with, it can be overwhelming. Many students struggle to prioritize their tasks, leading to last-minute cram sessions and sacrificed sleep. Another challenge is understanding complex materials. MBA coursework is designed to push you out of your comfort zone, but sometimes the concepts can be tough to grasp. You might find yourself spending hours trying to decipher a single chapter, only to still feel lost or not sure what the assignment or coursework is actually asking you to do. Follow these steps. First, remember to read the syllabus or module descriptor. Second, read carefully through the course learning outcomes. Stay with me for the important step. Third, read through the grading rubric, which will give you a breakdown of what is required to reach the top grade. Fourth, make sure you list the important aspects of what is required in the grading rubric and use it as a checklist once you have completed the first draft of your assignment or coursework. Before we dive deeper into more expert tips, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's get back to mastering those assignments.